Hello friends, earlier I have uploaded a video on error 279 where Roblox games are not executed on Windows PC. I am using Windows 10. So on Windows 10 PC it was not running. So what to do if you get error code 279? So let's see the demonstration. I have opened a game here. I am trying to play. So it will launch the game. So it is trying to ready the application and run the games. And we have error code 279 with ID 17, that is connection issue. So what you should do if you get this error? So simply I am going to change the network. So on the right hand side you have the Wi-Fi network or whatever network you are using. So you can see I was connected to one network. I am trying to connect to another network. Now I will leave this game and try to play again. It is here. Let's play it again. So it is trying to bring up the game application. What it does, it initially initializes all the things required for game to be played. So it will initialize the game and then it will give the application for you to play. So with just the change of the network connection, I am able to play the game.